Welcome to our channel. How to treat gray hair naturally. You can turn white hair to black hair permanently in 3 minutes with this recipe. For this we need tomatoes. First, grate the tomatoes to get the tomato juice. Tomatoes restore the original color of the hair because it contains lycopene. Now we got grated tomatoes. Filter the grated tomato in a bowl to get the tomato juice. Next we need olive oil. Add a tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil helps prevent the premature graying, and delays the signs of aging caused by hair bleaching. The next ingredient is cocoa powder. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and mix well. Then we need coffee powder. Add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder and mix well. Then add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. How to use this recipe. Apply it to the hair from roots to ends. Leave it on your hair for 2 hours. Cover your hair with a plastic bag. Then wash well with a shampoo. Repeat the recipe twice a week. From the first use, the gray hair will be gone permanently. This is 100% effective and guaranteed. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.